Hello and welcome to Raps Attack Food Truck. I'm Danny Kowachek and I'll be talking to you about our healthy, convenient, and great tasting food truck today. The reason for this food truck is to give a new great tasting option for the students, athletes, and staff here at MSUB. Some current problems with food on MSUB's campus is MSUB lacks a healthy, high-protein option, MSUB lacks variety and taste, and MSUB lacks convenient location. Some of the feedback with current food choices on campus are that there are limited options, a variety of tastes, and the ingredients and products are not as healthy as some would like. The food truck Raps Attack wants to help solve this problem and give back to the hardworking people on this campus. To solve these problems, the solutions Raps Attack will provide are a food truck that provides wraps that are healthy and made with fresh local ingredients. The food truck will be located next to the clock tower on campus, providing a central location for all students and faculty, and the food truck gives a new and unique taste different to the current Sodexo options. Why Raps Attack? Raps Attack will have a convenient application, live a healthier life with enjoying a great tasting meal, and builds the local economy. Some of the opportunities that Raps Attack provides are few competitors in the surrounding area, rising food truck market, a win-win for customer and Raps Attack, and technology and quick customer service. The service at Raps Attack will provide healthy and great tasting wraps quickly and efficiently, provided by the application that is customer friendly and easy to use. The goal is to minimize weight and maximize health, and this is done by utilizing fresh local foods and innovative application. The menu at Raps Attack is very healthy and great tasting. The goal for each wrap is to have low calories with the max amount of protein. After conducting 10 solution interviews with students at MSUB, we felt we had a good understanding of the solution to our customers' problems. Here is what we learned. We can see from the solution interviews that having a food truck with quality ingredients is the #1 priority. The solution interviews show that the next most important solution was to have a food truck located at a good spot on campus. This was unusual because of how many comments were made about wanting the food truck because of the new great tasting wraps they saw during the advertising video. The conclusion seen from the charts, after all, is that students and athletes would like a food truck that offers items with great quality, fresh and healthy ingredients, and want this food truck to be located in a convenient location on campus. The target market that the food truck will provide is students, athletes, and employees. The target market for potential customers is 1,344. This was found by looking at the current students on MSUB's campus and deciding that customers will want to eat food once a day. The pricing for the food truck is $8. We are planning to charge $8 for each wrap because we believe that the price is fair and competes with other substitutes in the market like Pita Pit and Rockets Wraps downtown Billings. This price also matches the high quality food and quick service that Raps Attack will provide. There is only one direct competitor to this startup company, which is a added value and a strength that the company will already have. The cash flow assumptions are potential market of 1,344, target customers of 1,344, other alternatives is 0. The frequency is 32 based on the school if the school is in session 8 months of the year with 4 weeks on average per month, so 4 times 8 is 32, and if people want twice a week, this would be 64. This is a great assessment for the cash flow and will give the Raps Attack a great profit. The gross margin is 0.75. The unit cost based on most popular item is $2.50, and most popular item is $10. The cash flow IRR is 154%. The break-even point per units after year is negative 59,200, and year 2 is 53,612. This project is completely feasible and is something that would create profit after its first year in the business. The cash flow shows that with the correct target market, frequency, and margin, the business will be able to take off and create revenue that surpasses the initial startup after 1 year in the market. Food trucks prove to be easy startups after researching other trucks in this market. Research also shows that Rapsitac cash flow is average compared to others within this 5 year radius. Having the school's records and being able to forecast possible customers also helps this business take off for a successful future down the road. Thank you, and spread the word that Raps are on the attack.